types of PV foundations. When it comes to supporting solar modules, these are several different methods that are being used in solar industry, including the following: concrete, blast foundation, driven piles, earth screw type, helical piles. Blast material bumped into holding trays that are attached to the solar mounting structure. Here you see driven pile is like this, earth screw is like this, and next this helical pile is like this, and blasted foundation is fourth one in that. So driven piles are the simplest and least expensive foundations and are typically I-beams, hat or channel shaped steel sections. These are commonly galvanized to prevent against corrosion and ensure long life under environmental conditions. Zinc is a metal which is highly effective in preventing rust and is permanently applied to the surface of the steel in a process called galvanization. Galvanization can either be applied to sheet or coil steel in steel mills prior to fabrication or to the fabricated part afterward, which is dipped into a bath of hot zinc. Galvanized coating range from G90 to G250. So this about the driving piles. For sites which have clay, gravel, dense sand, water tables which are not very close to the surface and or otherwise generally offer good soil cohesiveness which allows strong pull-out resistance that also have nominal refusal. The optimum foundation is driven piles. Driven piles are installed very quickly by pile drivers driven piles are installed very quickly by pile drivers. Next is this earth screw pile. Earth screw is a steel post shape with threads welded onto or machined into it to create a large screw. After fabrication, earth screw are typically hot dipped galvanized with corrosion resistance zinc. These earth screws are usually installed after pre-drilling holes into the rock or ledge, then screw them into the holes with bobcats, excavator or other equipment using auger attachments. They can also be installed without pre-drilling if there are no refusal issues. The cost of installation is high due to the need of separate equipment to pre-drill. So this about the earth screw PV foundation. If a site contains loose sand, high water table or otherwise very low soil cohesiveness, which would make driven piles or earth screw unpracticable due to requiring extreme embedment depth and no refusal is encountered, then the preferred foundation would be helical pile or blasted pile. Helical pile. Helical pile is a post. This one is helical pile. Helical pile is a post shape with a pointed bottom and a large split disc near the bottom welded onto the post at an angle such that when the post is rotated, the slip disc will worm its way into the ground. Helical pile is typically hot dip galvanized with the corrosion resistant zinc after fabrication. The helical pipe is ideal for location with poor soil cohesion, since it can easily installed with auger attachment or bobcats or excavator or other